Hello students, welcome to new video of class 10th mathematics chapter construction part 2. In the previous video we explained the construction of the division of line segment in the given ratio and also explained the how we construct the similar triangles when the fractions times is given, means the similar triangle is either the greater than the original triangle or the smaller than the original triangle. So today we take one more question of the similar triangles because of different type questions. So let's see. So let's see this question. Construct an isosceles triangle ABC having base BC 7 cm and altitude equal to 5 cm. Now construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC, each of whose sides is 3 upon 2 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So first we construct, draw a rough sketch. What's given? A triangle ABC, base BC 7 cm of isosceles triangle AB equal to AC, and height is 5 cm, that is altitude, and the fraction times is given 3 upon 2 times. 3 upon 2 times, somewhere is given that 1 or 1 upon 2. So also is this 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 times means numerator is greater than small denominator. That means the original triangle is this. So the similar triangle is greater than this because numerator greater, denominator smaller. So now we construct this. First we draw a base of 7 cm. Here only given this is the isosceles triangle and the altitude 5 cm. So altitude bisect the base. So first we draw a perpendicular bisector of BC. So this is the M, midpoint of BC, and from M the A is distance 5 cm. So take the distance of 5 cm. From here, cut it, we get the point A, join AB and AC. Now we want a similar triangle 3 upon 2 times. Take any line at acute angle, cut 3 upon 2 means 3 arc, means the greater number is 3. So cut 3 similar radius, same radius arc on the acute angle. That is B1, B2 and B3. Then join next end of circle triangle with denominator, that is 2. Now construct a parallel line from B3 to B to C. Same process of similar parallel line. Cut any arc of the same radius from B2 and B3 both. ये मोटा बन गया. Now BC increase. They meet at C dash. These are parallel lines. Then same process do at point C dash. Draw a parallel line to AC. Any radius cut. Then measure these 2 points. We measure these 2 points, this, and the same radius cut from here to this. Then BI increase, meet it at A dash. So this is the required similar triangle. This triangle A dash BC dash is similar to triangle ABC. Now the next topic is an important topic, that is the construction of tangents to a circle at a point that lie on it. First topic, construction of tangent, that is the construction of a tangent to a circle at a point lie on it. So in the construction of a tangent to a circle at a point that lie on it have two topic. First case by using the center of circle, and second case by not using the center of circle. So we take the first case by using the center of the circle. So take first one example for the tangents with using center. Draw a circle of diameter AB 6 cm with center O and draw a tangent to a circle at point A or B. So first draw a circle of diameter 6 cm. So draw a diameter of 6 cm. So radius is 3 cm. So center is at 3. That is O, A, B. We take O as a center and OA as a radius. Draw a circle. Then B, suppose we take a point B on a circle, this is lie on a circle, we draw a tangent at point B. You know the theorem, if you draw a tangent from here, so they make right angle with the radius. So we only construct here right angle. First cut 60, 120 and bisect. Extend to both sides. So this is a tangent. Suppose that PQ at point B is the tangent of a circle. Suppose the question say draw a radius draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter and take a point P on it and construct a tangent at P. So first we draw a circle of 2.5 centimeter. take a radius of 2.5 centimeter. Center O. Take any point P. Join OP. This is a point, lie on a circle, so only you have to construct the right angle at P. This is a AB tangent at P. Okay. This is the second topic of the tangent without using center. Means construct a tangent to a circle without using center of a circle. Take example of this. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Take a point P on it without using center of a circle. Draw a tangent to a circle at P, but without using center. So let's see how we construct this. So first we take the radius of 5 cm with the use of compass. Draw a circle. Here we have no use of center, so we can't mark the center. So step 1. For without using center, draw a cyclic triangle. We have to take the point P on here. We want to construct a tangent at P. So firstly, we have to draw a cyclic triangle with using P. That's your choice, you can draw anywhere. Suppose PQR, and let's see here, if a circle, tangents are passing here, a triangle here make, so this angle is equal to this XX, and this angle is equal to this YY. This is called alternate segment. So this concept used here. This is in ICSE board syllabus, not in your syllabus, but for the construction of the tangent without using center, we have to use this concept. So this concept used here. We want to draw a tangent from P point. So from P point, we have to draw equal angle either X or Y. Suppose we take X angle equal, Y angle equal. So here, alternate segment, that is 1 segment, 2 segment, 3 segment. So this and these 2 segment are the besides of this, and this is the distance. So this is called alternate segment after 1. So we have to draw here this angle equal to here. So equal angle concept, you know how we construct equal angle. So at point Q, draw a arc, cut an arc of any radius. From same radius, cut arc from P point outside the triangle. Then measure these 2 points as done in the previous topic. And this cut this. So this is the outside point. Join these 2 points, and that's the required tangent AB. So first we draw a circle of any radius whatsoever is given, then take any point P on the circle, and with using P point draw a cyclic triangle which all 3 points lie on the circle. Then we want to construct a tangent from P point, so take angle Q and construct equal angles equal angle at Q and the alternate segment. These are called the alternate segments. If you take here, so we have to draw equal angle to R, and then equal angles make a line, that is a tangents at point P. Okay, so pause video and draw it.